Wow. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to Makola Market. Taking you guys around the Makola Market today, and trust me, it's going to be amazing. This is one of the biggest markets over here in Ghana, and yeah, it's all fun. And come along with us guys as we take you around the biggest market in Ghana. We have somebody on the channel, we have True Mommy. Please don't hesitate to check her out. I'll be linking her channel in the description as well. And yeah, let's go around Makola and have fun. Well, Ghana is so busy, you guys. Can you see the amount of cars? Like everywhere is busy. It's giving me the Asigame vibes. This is like the fresh food area. Oh, look at mushrooms. Can you see the mushrooms though? Mushrooms. How much is it, please? 50 Ghana. 50 Ghana. Wow, not cheap as well. I want to ask the here as well. Please, how much is it? Wow. Wait, are they refusing to say?
The price of what you are buying.
Bye. Okay. Wow. 70. Ah. Wow, look at plantains.
Look at how nice it is.
The plantains, right? How much? 10 cedi.
Yes, please. This one.
That's huge. Maybe when we are coming back.
Yeah, the trim of it. That one you can fly. 35.
Yeah.
5.
I'll get an open toe something for Heavenly to wear.
Book show, tell you start. You buy the book show. Book show, what's the prices?
The market here is really huge. Oh. Wow. So this is Makola Market.
Because it's narrow path.
Yeah.
Behind us.
Ah. I wish this was 70 size. This one's so cool. They use stuff over here, very nice qualities.
Bend down.
These are the ones that will break in 2 days.
Let this lady go. Thank you.
Jumpsuits. Yeah, walking around the market for a while, and we are at a chop bar. Want to eat Ghana jollof and salad. I'm eating Ghana jollof with salad, but
Eating plain rice.
she wants plain rice. She doesn't like salad. Uh-oh.
No, I don't eat salad. Don't tell them.
I shouldn't tell them. But yeah, it's okay not to like salad. For Africans, a lot of people don't eat salad. Yeah, Heavenly, come. Come and say hello. Check out our rice and salad. This looks gorgeous. And we have the rice and stew. It looks so yummy. Can you see this? This is good food. I swear, I like the quality of the food. I haven't tried it yet, but it's looking good. I must confess. Thank God for this meal. Wow. Ghanaian people can cook. Oh. So tasty. A blend of different spices. The smell is amazing. Like, wow. The tomatoes and everything. Can you see how crispy the chicken is looking? Wow. Let me give the salad a try. Absolutely delicious. This is so yummy. And this is 25 cedis and it's a full plate of food. I think it's okay. The quality is great. Yeah, why not? So, if you are to come to Accra in Makola, this is what you are going to get. It looks so delicious and it tastes very good. We are having an amazing time, you all. It's so yummy. Wow. Like you couldn't find your way out of the market.
No, to the station to get.
Where to get a car? Oh, look at these slippers. Come. It's so cool though. Is it my size? No, it's small. Let's cross. Maybe I might see better ones in the market. This way. Wow. Like look at the white one there. That one is cool, but it's plastic, I think. It's better to buy this than the Chinese one. I won't lie to you.
There's a lot of renovation
In the market.
Get lost. It's not like this.
Let's cross. Wow.
This is like the yellow one. It's almost like new.
Wait, these are used. This is a walk in Makola market. Wow, look, a very fresh mango.
What about them?
Which one is 10 cedis? This is 10 cedis.
10 cedis, 20 cedis.
And how much is this? This one?
I need to buy one when we are going back for my tea.
How much is this one? I want to get an apple for heavenly.
5 cedis, 4 cedis, 3 for 10 cedis, 2 for 5 cedis.
This is 5 cedis.
Strawberries. Strawberries.
Huh?
Red. Strawberries.
Strawberry. Oh, my baby. How much is a pack though? A pack of strawberries. 60. Wow. Please, I want one of these. It's 5 cedis, right? You want? No? Come on, let's go. When we are coming back, I'll buy the strawberry for you. Wow. Wow. We have the wigs in front as well. The wigs. That's a nice one though. Yeah, but if you buy it here, we'll be mushy before we go back.
Yeah.
Wow.
Anytime I'm here, it's finished.
Ah,
Since it's finished.
when we are returning, you buy some.
That is
These bags are cool. Though.
Madam, the price.
This is where they sell the hair though. Hair.
Madam, the price. There is bookshop. Mommy bookshop. Yes, bookshop. Oh, bookshop, yeah. No, bookshop. Bookshop. Passing like this.
I can remember where to go.
When you have the offer now.
No.
Bookshop.
Excuse me. Wow, come back.
You want to buy
Shopping bag.
Yeah.
the one that they are shouting their amount.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the one you go. Okay.
No, the thing is, I want to buy the short trousers.
That's what I'm saying. You know, when you are passing, there are some that they are telling you, I see this for 30.
Yeah.
Yeah. But those that are not, they can like this one.
Yeah.
Otherwise, they will just call you ridiculous price.
Exactly.
Like that, because they look at your body, they say, money day.
These are the wigs though. Some of the wigs.
People rent at our area, and not only our area, all those areas. Take this.
Yeah, they come
They
here.
drive.
I can imagine the price though. The market is so clean. Can you see the floor? Share butter.
I should remember and check my ship next time because I haven't seen it. I have one in there.
This looks exactly like asigame.
Which part of Barcelona?
Like where they
But
say all
that's
this.
I have in mind holding it. It's not where we went twice.
Really? Things do change.
It used to be like this.
Uh-huh.
Nice, busy.
But now everything was quiet. Wow. This is cool. They have all kinds of hair accessories here. There is this pin I want to buy for Evelyn's hair though.
So it will not be heavy.
No, it's just a pin.
I came here before with Mama.
Wow.
Here is get wig. How much is it? 600. 600.
Full lace. Heavily come.
These things I don't buy them anymore, so I don't know. What about it? I'll find a banyo teaching there. It's up to you.
Please, what is the name of your shop? Auntie B Wigs.
It's unknown, so when I come, I ask for Auntie Lizzie's restaurant, this kind of thing.
Auntie.
Lizzie's canteen.
Okay, Auntie Lizzie's canteen. Very close to Auntie Lizzie's canteen.
Yes.
Okay, so they have very nice, affordable wigs in case you are in. This is Makola Market, right?
Yes. Makola shopping mall.
Wow. It looks so beautiful. This one looks like it's braided on the head, though. This is like the Egyptian queen hairstyle. Wow. This is like a mall.
I go down from here.
Okay.
You go first. Sorry.
Buy it a lot, that's why.
The first lady said they are not doing it anymore.
Ah.
It means the next time they will do it will be an event. They are not thinking of with the old lady. So I use that in last. It's very good.
Oh, sorry, Evelyn. The black soap. Should we go this way? This way?
Sorry.
Wow, look at the black velvet tamale. Yeah, they have a lot. What about this color though? It matches a little. Yeah. The market is so huge.
When you are tired, tell me.
Where does this lead us to though? Somebody.
I'll tell you a story about that.
About what? Ah.
Precious, no, man. Move it back. Turn it back. Let me put it on the back. Let me take it around.
Maybe we can. What?
I'm thinking I have some at home, but I don't have one here.
Hey, Makola!
Yes, plantain.
The crochet? Is it too expensive? For a pack. Ah. Which one? This one?
I don't like it. We end up going back.
This way?
Yeah, let's go.
They have even the dry cow skin. Wow.
When the day the man of God was preaching in that auditorium, in that time, that woman was there, and that day is the day of Sabbath. And Jesus was finished. After the man of God finished, he bring the treasures that is in the temple, and he was collecting the offerings. He was
Maybe there's no lorry here. Maybe they stole them.
Yeah.
Mommy.
Yes, baby.
So the Togo people, when they bring their this is where
Yes. Yeah, it's big.
we have even done. No, that's not. That's how it It's a key. Do you want the key? She's big, but she's still a baby. Still a baby. You could put them in push at this age because they won't walk.
Me, she's even trying.
Let me put Yeah, thank you.
Sorry. Saba. Like this.
No, just
Which direction?
yes.
Factory area, factory that testament, the factory toilet, money, or gas cooker, so aluminium frames.